Welcome, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a little winter gardening. So we're going to put together a garden cart. All right. We got us one of these carts. So I'm going to put it together, and then I'm going to try to make a cover out of this tarp, one that's fitted. That'll sit around here, be cut, have nice straight edges, cover up all the way to the ground. Because I don't have any place to put this, so I'm going to have to leave it out in the weather. So I want to cover up so it doesn't disintegrate. So wish me luck. Alright, look at that. Kind of needed this. This will carry 600 pounds or so. 300, at least, much more than anything else we have here. So now I think I might replace this with a cotter pin type of setup, so I can pull it out without having to use any tools. And then I can take this handle off when I want to cover it, place it inside there, keep it weatherproof. That cover doesn't really fit, so I will have to try and make myself one. Now we'll see if we can make us a cover out of this tarp I got from the T-Moose. I think it was $2.67. Check it out. We're over. So let's measure this. Go 36 3/4. 36 3/4 by 19. 21. JB Weld ready to go. All right, so keep your fingers crossed that that stuff sets up pretty good. But I just put a bungee around the bottom, keep it on there tight. That should help that stay good as new. Meanwhile, let's see if we can fix this, our hand cart that had a blowout this summer. See if we can get these new wheels on there. So here's the piece I wanted for this, for the handle. Let's see, get it lined up again. Where's that one? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Come on, man, come on. Oh my gosh. There we go. Woo! That'll make it easy to weatherproof. Alright. There we go. 2 things done. Great looking wagon. Covered up. Ready for the winter. So there you go. Keep yourself busy in the garden, even when you're not gardening. Thanks for watching. PA Life-Adelic. See you on the next one.